Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to show you how you can make your own labels, logo stickers, business cards, anything that you need for your business right at home. This is a super inexpensive way to do this. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how I make my labels for my business. So if you are interested, definitely keep watching this video. So pretty much what I'm showing you is the blank labels as well as business cards, logo stickers that I got from different companies. I usually get my I used to get my blank labels and everything from Avery.com, but I actually found another company that is super way cheaper than Avery, which is onlinelabels.com. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how I make my labels from my computer using Avery as well as onlinelabels.com. And I'll leave all the information down below in the description section for these different companies. So all the blank labels and logo stickers and business cards that I got for Avery, I actually got it from Amazon.com, and then I got a couple from Office Max in my area. As far as with online labels, I got it from their website, and I only use online labels for my blank labels because you get way more for a lesser price than from Avery.com. But I still have a few blank things from Avery, so that's why I'm trying to use them up. And then after that, I will only be using online labels because you can pretty much get anything. So the first label that I'm going to be showing you how to make is through Avery.com, and these are the small little sticker labels that I put on the bottom of my lip gloss samples. These are pretty much like the different names of the lip gloss. I put them on the bottom for my customers so they'll know exactly what type of gloss that they're actually getting. So all you have to do is, if you haven't created a new project under Avery.com, you can just click create a new project and then put in the model number of the label, and then you can go ahead and either insert an image, or you can actually start creating within the label. So the label that I'm using is Presta. So within the template, it will show you a blank sticker or a blank label. And then all you have to do is, if you're inserting an image that you already created, all you have to do is click on the left-hand side and click image, and then it'll open up to whatever files that you have on your computer. But since this is a name label, all I'm going to do is add text. So all I have to do is just click on add text. It usually kind of saves whatever text that you used previously. So I'm using the Bella Dreams text, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start writing in the name of the lip gloss. So I am going to type in Amaretto Sour. That's one of my lip gloss names. So all I have to do is put it in the middle. And then after that, you can either edit all the stickers that are on the label sheet, or you can actually edit one at a time. Usually I edit one at a time because with my customers, they buy a lot of different lip gloss samples. So pretty much what I do is edit one at a time, and then I'll put the name of the lip gloss on each one of the stickers separately. And then after you're done, the only thing that you have to do is click preview and print, and then it will pop up to kind of show you exactly how it's going to look. And then all you have to do is put the label sheet in your printer, and then it will go ahead and print out on through a PDF file. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is these cards that I usually place in my customers' order, depending on if I'm giving them a free gift or giving them directions on how to use a certain product. So I usually use the Avery business cards. I mean, you can use the Avery business cards to print out your business cards, but I actually use them to place like thank you for your order enjoy this free gift card, and then it'll have like a discount code, or I will use these cards to place some instructions or directions on how to use certain products like my shimmer lip oils or my lip scrubs. I'll place the directions on the cards. So these are pretty simple to make, and the way that I make them, I actually use a website called canva.com. I create the cards on there. I'll just put in the size of the business card in canva.com, and then I'll go ahead and use like different templates that they have, and then just make it my own and create a card that I want, or a business card that I want. And then after I do that, I save it to my computer, and then you can actually pull it up under Avery. All you have to do is put in the model number for the business cards under Avery.com for your project, insert the image that you created through Canva, and then you can actually print it out on your printer. So like I said, you can use these for different cards to place in your customers' orders, or you can actually use these same cards to use as a business card.
Five, 4, 6 years. Yeah, babe, you should know that ain't no other girl out here got my heart. Baby, don't ask, you ain't gotta ask me, no. 'Cause I ain't afraid to say, I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby. And I just wanna make it.
Now, since I have my own clothing line, I actually use these cards to create product tags. So anytime my customer buys clothes from me, I place a product tag. So the first one that I'm actually showing you was the first product tags that I made, but then I created some new ones, and then these are the new ones that I made. And you can actually make these through Canva. Once again, canva.com. You can use canva.com for anything. Okay, so the next label that I am going to be showing you is some logo stickers. I use logo stickers a lot when it comes to my lip gloss business because I have like different products that need different logos, such as like my wholesale orders. I use logo stickers on my gloss bags, on my gloss jars. So what I use is Avery's logo stickers, and it's the matte ones. And I'm actually showing you guys what the logo stickers kind of look like through Avery, and how it printed out after I printed out through my computer. But yeah, so the logo that I created, the logo sticker that I created was through, I actually used my phone, and I used this app called Fonto, and I created the logo sticker using like a couple of apps on my phone. If you guys want to see how I make logo stickers using different apps on my phone, definitely let me know, and I'll do another video. But like I said, I created the logo sticker, and then I saved it to my computer, and then I pulled it up through Avery.com, created a project under the model number for the logo sticker, and then I printed it out. And like I said, this is how it looks on Avery.com's website. And then all I have to do is insert the image into the blank logo sticker label and then print it out. Okay, so another thing with Avery.com, if you don't want to print it out yourself, you can always insert whatever logos that you have in Avery.com, and they'll print it out for you, and then you'll get it like within a week. But like I said, it's super easier and it's faster to do it yourself. But I was doing it before with Avery printed it out. I used to have Avery printed out and then ship it to me, but now I do it myself. So The next labels that I'm actually showing you is my lip gloss labels. These are the labels that I used to use for my lip gloss, but I created a new logo, so I don't actually use these anymore. So these are like the rectangle labels that you see all the time on the squeeze tubes, wand tubes for different lip gloss companies. And I'm actually showing you guys like the measurements. And I use a glossy clear film, and these can be for laser or inkjet. And the only thing I did, same thing, I created my logo using some different apps on my iPhone, and then I saved it to my computer. I opened it up under amourwigsinquiry.com, and then I printed it out on their blank labels through my printer, and then I was able to have my different labels to put on my lip gloss. Okay, so I also use Avery's matte logo stickers for my thank you stickers. I usually place these on my wholesale squeeze tube and wand tube sets boxes. So once I fill the boxes up, then I close the box using a thank you sticker. And with this thank you sticker, it was a simple logo that I created under canva.com. I created it and then saved it to my computer once again, and then opened it up under Avery, and then printed it out on my logos sticker. Okay, so that's pretty much it for all the different labels, all the different logo stickers that I use under Avery.com. So now what I'm going to actually show you is the different labels and stickers that I created under onlinelabels.com. Okay, so these are two separate companies, but like I said, I've had experience with both of them. And Online Labels, their stuff is way cheaper, and you get a lot more labels using them. So I've already created like a couple of different logos, labels, and stickers. And I'm going to actually show you how much I get. These are like probably close to maybe like 100 or more sheets of labels, blank labels that I'm able to use for my business. So one of the first labels or stickers that I made were for my lip gloss boxes. All my lip gloss actually comes in boxes now. So in the on the outside of the box, I actually put a name label, which pretty much tells my customer what each lip gloss that they purchase, what's the name of the lip gloss is. So for the first one that I'm actually showing you is my strawberry cream shake. You can change the color of your logo stickers. All you have to do is go under onlinelabel.com, and then it's like an area on the side where you can like change the text, change the shapes, change the colors, insert images. And so what I did, because I changed the color of the sticker to pink, and then I put in the text, and then I wrote what the name of the lip gloss is, and then all I do is go ahead and print it out on my computer, and I'm able to label the different lip gloss boxes that I have. And like I said, I do this for all my lip glosses. I did one for the strawberry cream shake, and then I changed the color to my chocolate delight lip gloss. So those will be different labels on the bottom of my lip gloss boxes, okay? And so the last thing I'm going to actually be showing you is the new logo that I have for my lip gloss business. And I actually created this logo on some different apps that I have on my phone. And I saved it to my computer, and then I pulled it up under onlinelabels.com. And they have the same exact rectangle labels as Avery, but like I said, theirs is way cheaper. And so I actually print these out, and I'm actually showing you how they look on the labels once I printed them out through my printer. Yeah, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Like I said, you can create anything that you want for your business yourself straight from home. Like I said, it's super cheaper to do it yourself than actually having these companies do it. I've had the experience of doing both. The last thing I'm actually showing you is other different items that I made using canva.com and then printing it out. This is like a business card that I made for my clothing business. I also made some thank you for your order flyers or cards for my lip gloss business as well as my clothing business. And I created it under canva.com, saved it to my computer, and then, like I said, you could print it out. You can have Avery print it out, or you can have online labels printed out, or you can actually print it out yourself. It completely depends on you. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you a lot. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
'Cause I ain't afraid to say, I ain't afraid to say I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid